Hey guys, today I'm going to remove an action stack from a grand piano. So first of all, you got to remove all of the bolts, or I say screws, from the action on the front and the back. Then you're going to remove the little screws on the rail, pop off the rail. And I guess you don't have to take the rail off to take the stack off. Once you get the rail off and all the screws loose, you should be able to take this whole stack right here, this is the action stack, and lift up on it and pull it off. Now, you got to make sure all the screws are completely loose. Must have been a couple hanging here. Let's make sure none of them are hanging. And then you should be able to just grab this and take it right off. Look at that. And you got the keys. See? Now you have the entire action stack taken off of the key frame. And you can work on that, or you can work on the keys. Why do I do this? To get to the keys, to get to these actual keys. You can actually take off the key sticks, and today I'm going to be easing the keys on this grand. Okay, if a piano key is sticking, it's usually because of friction. And one way to test this is to ease the keys. Now you can notice these keys drop very simply. These keys drop pretty easily. This key won't drop at all. It has friction. So you're going to use key easing pliers, and you're going to take this off. You're going to ease the front rail. Just stick them right in there and ease the front rail. Now it drops just fine. Hey, you want to learn more about being a piano tech? Join me at apexpiano.com.